All right, today we're looking at something that is definitely not trying to be like every other phone out there. This is the Moondrop MIAD-01, and it's built around one single pretty radical idea. What if a phone's most important feature wasn't its camera or its screen, but how it sounds? Okay, let's get into it.
And right off the bat, you can just see this thing is different. We're not talking about a company just slapping a headphone jack on a regular phone and calling it a day. No. Moondrop, a company that's famous for its amazing audio gear, designed this thing from the ground up for one purpose: pure, uncompromised audio.
You know, Moondrop is making a really bold statement here. They're betting that there's a group of people out there, the real specialists, who care more about sound quality than anything else. But does that bet actually pay off? And more importantly, what do you have to give up to get that incredible sound? Let's find out.
Okay, first things first, let's talk about how this device actually feels in your hand. Because the second you pick it up, you know it is not playing by the same rules as everyone else. It's got this heft to it, a really substantial premium weight. It's also thicker than most phones you'll see, coming in at 9.2 millimeters, and that's a feature, not a flaw. The back has this really cool retro-textured finish that feels great in the hand and, thankfully, isn't a slippery fingerprint magnet. Every single design choice just screams that this is a purpose-built tool.
And this image, it basically tells the whole story. The goal here isn't to be the thinnest or the lightest phone on the block. It's about having enough space inside to pack in some serious, high-end audio hardware. The design serves the sound, not the other way around.
All right, let's get to the main event, the entire reason this phone even exists: the sound. This is where the MIAD-01 really truly leaves the competition in the dust.
So before we get into all the fancy hardware, let's quickly talk about something called a DAC. The easiest way to think about it is like a translator. It takes the digital ones and zeros of your Spotify track or your music file and translates them into the smooth, analog sound wave that your headphones can actually play. And here's the key: the better the translator, the more detail, the more emotion you get from the music.
Now, most phones have one of these translators. The MIAD-01 has two of them. And not just any DACs. These are high-end Cirrus Logic MasterHIFI DACs. This dual setup is something you usually only find in expensive, dedicated audio players. It's what creates a sound that's so much fuller, more detailed, and just more alive.
And here's all the proof you need that Moondrop is dead serious. You get the standard 3.5mm headphone jack we all know and love, but you also get a 4.4mm balanced output. Now, for any audiophile watching, you know this is a huge deal. It's a professional-grade connection that gives you a cleaner, more powerful signal by completely separating the left and right audio channels. The result is just this incredible soundstage, that feeling of space and separation between all the instruments in a song.
And this is what it all adds up to. It's that wow moment when you put on a song you've heard 1,000 times, and suddenly you hear a little background vocal or a subtle bass line you never even knew was there. It's literally like rediscovering your entire music library all over again.
So how do they get it so ridiculously clear? Well, Moondrop built a dedicated, totally isolated circuit just for the audio parts. It's like they put the DACs and amplifiers in their own little soundproof room inside the phone, shielding them from all the electronic noise from the processor and antennas. And what you get is a perfectly black, silent background. No hiss, no interference, just pure, reference-grade music. You hear it exactly how the artist wanted you to hear it.
Okay, so it's a world-class music player. We've established that. But is it a phone? I mean, can you actually live with this thing as your main device every single day? Let's find out.
Well, looking at the specs, you can see Moondrop made some really smart choices here. You've got a solid Dimensity 7050 processor, a big and beautiful 6.7-inch 120Hz OLED screen, a massive 12 gigs of RAM, and a big 5,000 mAh battery. For all your normal stuff, browsing, streaming, social media, this combo is going to be perfectly smooth and responsive.
So no, it's not trying to be a spec monster. And that's the whole point. It doesn't need to be. It's engineered to give you a fluid, lag-free experience for everything you actually do on a phone. And that goes for the software too. It's a clean, nearly stock version of Android. They made a deliberate choice to keep things fast and simple, so the phone can dedicate its resources to what really matters here, the audio.
But here's the thing, when you create a device that's this specialized, it means you have to make choices. And to get to this level of audio excellence, Moondrop had to make some pretty significant compromises.
And let's just be brutally honest about it, the camera is not this phone's strong suit. It's got a 64-megapixel sensor, but you're not getting any of the fancy computational photography tricks you'd find in a new Pixel or iPhone. And that's the trade-off, right? All the budget and all the internal space that could have gone into a better camera instead went into those dual DACs and that amazing isolated circuitry. It'll work for a quick photo, but it is absolutely not a flagship camera.
And this right here, this is the core bargain of the MIAD 01. This is the deal. On one hand, you gain reference-grade audio in your pocket, and you can finally stop carrying around a separate music player. But on the other hand, you give up a top-tier camera, you give up a super customized software experience, and you give up a design that just blends in with the crowd.
But check this out. This is one of those little hidden gems. A dedicated set of physical buttons for music playback. Not just for volume, but for play, pause, and skip. It might seem like a small thing, but it shows you that Moondrop truly understands the person who's going to buy this phone. It's for someone who wants to control their music without even taking the phone out of their pocket.
So, after weighing the absolutely incredible sound against the very real trade-offs, where do we land? Who is this phone actually for?
Let's put this into perspective for a second. The Sony Xperia 1V is another phone that caters to audiophiles. But it costs more than double the price of the MIAD 01, and it's missing the dual DACs and that 4.4mm balanced output. When it comes to pure audio hardware for your money, the Moondrop is it's in a completely different league.
And that brings us to what I think is the most important takeaway here. You have to change how you think about this device. This isn't just a smartphone with a nice headphone jack. This is a high-fidelity, portable audio player that has all the functions of a modern Android smartphone built right into it. The priority has been completely and totally flipped on its head.
So, is it for you? Well, if you're an audiophile who is just sick and tired of juggling a phone and a separate music player, then yes, absolutely. If you're the kind of person who believes sound quality is the single most important feature, and you're willing to compromise on the camera to get it, then this device was made for you. Period.
And that kind of leaves us with a bigger question, doesn't it? For years, the goal in tech was to create one device that did everything perfectly, the ultimate all-in-one. But maybe, just maybe, there's a growing space for products that do one thing exceptionally well. In a world full of generalists, the Moondrop MIAD 01 makes a really powerful